Hey guys, welcome back to the SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. I'm back again with new AI photo editing tutorial. This is the best tutorial for the couples and the friends. In this AI photo editing, you just need to select two pictures and AI will generate caricature art like this in just one click. As I said, best kit for the couples. Most important thing, this AI is totally free. You no need to pay single money on it. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, we are going to download one app. For that, just turn on the mobile data. Go to the Play Store. Click on search bar and type photolab photolab. I have given app download link in description. Next step is very important guys, so watch next step very carefully. App is installed. Now next step, make sure your mobile data is on. Now open the photolab app. After opening photolab app, you will see this interface. Just tick and click on accept and continue. Click on allow. Now you will see this interface. Just select categories option. In categories option, select low cards filter. In low cards filter, you will see these types of so many effects. To add caricature cartoon effect, you have to select let's touch the sky effect. Click on allow. By the way guys, before go to the next part, make sure you have like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more AI photo editing tutorials like this. Now select any two photos. After selecting photos, you will see this interface. Just tick and click on agree. Now just click on next. Now you will see this interface. From here you can crop, rotate or mirror the picture. Simply crop the picture like this. Face should be in center. And just click on next. It is just a preview. You can swap the face from here. Now just click on next. Ad will run. Just wait for a few seconds. Then close symbol will come. Now just click on close symbol. And here is our final result. To save the picture, just click on download. Thanks for watching guys. Keep